Mourners thronged Kisumu's Jomo Kenyatta Sports Ground to bid farewell to the late Fidel Odinga, son to former Prime Minister Raila Odinga. Crowds started building up at the grounds as early as 7 a.m. to view Fidel's body, which arrived at Kisumu International Airport aboard a Kenya Air Force plane. The planned public viewing was cancelled owing to the huge number of mourners who had turned up. After the interdenominational prayers, leaders eulogized the late Fidel and called for speedy investigations to know exactly what killed him. Siaya Senator James Orengo says some vital exhibits have been kept and will be flown to Germany next week for further examination. Raila took the opportunity to thank all Kenyans for the overwhelming support they have given his family following the announcement of Fidel's death on Sunday morning. Fidel's body will be transported by road to Bondo, where a night vigil will be held at his Opoda farm before burial service tomorrow at Bondo University and the subsequent burial at the family cemetery at the Jaramogi Oginga Odinga home in Kango village.